Hello everybody, Russ from ProSteamUK here, and we're on a commercial job at the moment. It's a beautiful new building, just been built, and outside the car park has just been tarmacked. Now, fortunately somebody then went and walked in the fresh sort of tarmac, the oil from the tarmac, onto this entrance matting. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to remove those spots from the carpet, and we're going to clean the entire area from the front door through to those doors over there. So as you can see, the carpet is looking soiled anyway with traffic. It's the main traffic area. So let's come back to this in a short while, and let's see how much better we can make it look. Right, well, we are actually halfway through this job, and just to give you some idea in terms of comparison of finish, this particular part of the carpet has been cleaned using our low moisture method, and that part hasn't. So you can actually see a line there where you can see a soiled carpet and a clean carpet. The lights come on there. So we're going to do this bit next, and then we're going to blend everything so everything looks the same. Okay folks, pardon the noise, that is our turbo dryer helping to dry the carpet. As you can see, it's all done, looking really nice. We've managed to remove all those ugly spots of the tarmac that somebody had trodden in. We've cleaned the whole carpet so it all looks even and blended. There you go. That will be dry. That will be dry in a maximum of probably 45 minutes. So there you have it.